Is the Samsung LE32D400E1W a smart TV? Let's find out. No, the Samsung LE32D400E1W is not a smart TV. It's an older model that falls under the category of LED TVs, designed primarily for basic viewing purposes. This TV doesn't come with built-in smart features or apps like Netflix, YouTube, or streaming capabilities. If you're looking to access online content, you'll need an external device such as a Fire Stick, Chromecast, or gaming console to add smart functionality. While it offers decent picture quality for its time, this model lacks the modern features and connectivity options found in today's smart TVs. If you're considering upgrading, newer Samsung Smart TVs provide a much more versatile and feature-rich experience. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks.